Hi learners, welcome to MBA Shala. In this video, let's discuss about the Sukuk, which is an Islamic alternative form of conventional bonds. Sukuk is a financial certificate in Islamic finance which is commonly referred to as the Islamic equivalent of conventional bonds. Sukuk is the certificates representing proportional and undivided ownership right in tangible assets or a business venture. These assets must be in a specific project or in investment activities that comply with Sharia rules and principles. Since interest-based bonds are not allowed in Islamic finance, Sukuk securities are designed conforming to the Islamic law and investment principles, which disallows the interest. Dear learners, now let's discuss the principles of Sukuk. 1. Transactions are permitted in ethical goods and services only. 2. Earning returns from interest-based transactions is prohibited. 3. Investment in contracts with excessive uncertainty is prohibited. 4. Investment in gambling and chance-based games is prohibited. 5. Forward foreign exchange transactions are also prohibited. Now let's discuss the difference between Sukuk and conventional bonds. 1. Ownership. While Sukuk indicate partial ownership of an asset, the bonds indicate a debt obligation. 2. Compliance. While the assets that back Sukuk is compliant with Sharia, the bonds follows laws of country. 3. Pricing. While the face value of a Sukuk is priced according to the value of the assets backing them. Bond pricing is based on credit rating, it means the issuer's creditworthiness. 4. Rewards and risks. While Sukuk can increase in value when the assets increase in value, the returns from bonds correspond to fixed interest. 5. Sales. While the sale of a Sukuk is selling ownership in the assets backing them. The sale of bonds is the sale of debt. 6. Principal. While Sukuk investors share the risk of the underlying asset by sharing profit and loss, the bond investors are guaranteed the return of their initial investment. Now let's discuss about the products under Sukuk. 1. Ijara Sukuk funds. The Ijara Sukuk fund is used to purchase the assets for the purpose of leasing. Rentals received from the user are distributed among subscribers of the fund. 2. Commodity Sukuk funds. The Commodity Sukuk fund is used to buy different commodities for the purpose of resale. The profits generated by the sales are distributed among the subscribers. 3. Murabaha Sukuk funds. Murabaha Sukuk funds is used to buy the commodities which are sold on a cost-plus basis. The profits generated by the sales are distributed among the subscribers. 4. Mixed funds. The subscription amounts are employed in different types of investment methods such as Murabaha Sukuk, Musharaka Sukuk, Salam Sukuk, Istisna Sukuk and Hybrid Sukuk. Now, let's discuss about the application of Sukuk. 1. Project-specific Sukuk. Under this category, money is raised through Sukuk for a specific project. Case example, Qatar Global Sukuk issued by the government of Qatar in 2003 to mobilize resources for the construction of Hamad Medical City in Doha. 2. Asset-specific Sukuk. Under this arrangement, the resources are mobilized by selling the beneficiary right of the assets to the investors. 3. Balance sheet-specific Sukuk. An example of the balance sheet-specific use of Sukuk funds is the Islamic Development Bank (IDB) Sukuk issued in August 2003. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for future notifications.